Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a whimsical designer store window display using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative tool that will help you to generate any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, AI video, avatar video, and then product showcase and many more. And in here we will use this tool to create the whimsical designer store window display. And okay, and if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin command to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI and then just go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then upload your photo like this. And then next, just type your prompt. For I already prepared my prompt like this. And if you want to try, and if you want to create your own prompt, you can just feel free to create it. Or if you want to copy my prompt, just copy my prompt and just edit it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model and then choose your ratio and resolutions and click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see your photo is now transformed into a beautiful luxury storefront scene with matching collectible character like this. I think it's so perfect. And okay, that's it. Next, if you want to try this tool yourself, just try it yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.